Hello everyone, are you burning your marketing budget on Facebook ads that get zero engagement? You launch a perfect campaign, but because there are no comments or likes, people just scroll past. In 2026, cold traffic doesn't buy social proof buys. A silent ad is a dead ad. It looks untrustworthy, and it drives your CPA through the roof. First, access Facebook and retrieve the ad ID for the specific post. Here is the total comment count for this advertisement. Please click on it. You will then see the direct link to the ad displayed in the browser's address bar above. We will now explore the automated platform. This software provides unlimited Facebook account management and features powerful capabilities for automated, high-volume commenting on sponsored posts. Click on Comment function, then select Comment on this interface. Navigate to the Content section. However, you must first access Content Management to create your message templates. Click on Add Post and set the type to comment. Next, enter your text in the Content field. I have prepared a sample here for you to review. These entries will be deployed to the advertisement shortly. Now, returning to our main topic, I would like to demonstrate the high-level capabilities of this software. First, select content and input the specific ad ID. Finally, select your accounts and click Start to begin the process. The moment you activate this system, you gain an unfair advantage. You aren't just running an ad. You're creating a viral movement by automating positive, high-quality comments. You build instant trust. Potential customers see a thriving community asking for prices and sharing reviews, which triggers massive FOMO and skyrocketing your conversion rates from day one. Beyond trust, there is a massive algorithmic benefit. Meta's algorithm prioritizes high engagement content. When our system generates consistent interactions, it signals to Facebook that your ad is high quality. This forces the platform to lower your CPC and CPA, meaning you get more leads for significantly less money. You are literally making the algorithm work for you, not against you. One of the greatest benefits is total security. Our system automatically hides your customers' sensitive inquiries, keeping your valuable leads invisible to competitors who are waiting to steal your traffic. Plus, with our anti-detection shield, you gain 24/7 automated moderation. Negative spam and competitor attacks are wiped out instantly, ensuring your brand reputation stays flawless and professional at all times. Finally, the ultimate benefit is time freedom. You no longer need to spend hours manually replying or moderating. This is a set it and forget it solution that scales with your business. Whether you're running 10 ads or 10,000, you have a high traffic empire on autopilot. Ready to scale? Contact our expert team at 𝐓𝐞𝐥𝐞𝐸 or via WhatsApp at +80 for 376,119,126. Let's dominate the global market together.